G'day, this is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years. This is the bathroom we've been doing, and it's day 7. I'm just about to grout and silicon, and I'm finished. The owners are working today, and they already paid me this morning. Which is so brilliant because, you know, like I haven't even finished yet. But that's how much they love the job that I've done. Another happy customer. So we'll get started. The grout is called Misty Grey. It's a very light grey and it complements this colour tile brilliantly. It's another beautiful day on the Gold Coast, of course. Another warm day. It's going to be about 30 today. Humidity about 80, 85. So it's pretty sticky. January, February are our worst days for humidity. But hey, our winter over here in Queensland, Gold Coast, our winters, you know, bottom temperature is, well, where I live on the Gold Coast, our bottom temperature is about 17 degrees during the day, and that's cold for us that are used to warmer weather. I'll start wiping off soon because it's a fairly, well, with it being a matte, it's drying out the grout quite quickly actually. So I won't be grouting heaps. Before I wipe off. Hopefully I've taught you all a little something that you can take home to use on your own bathroom if that's what you're doing. But personally, if it was me, like I always get my car fixed if it needs servicing by a mechanic that knows what he's doing. But some people like to DIY. whether it's to save a bit of money or the sheer pleasure of doing it. My personal opinion is leave it to the ones that know. Okay, back again. How things have changed over the years. It's like using a washboard. So incredible, you don't even get your hands wet hardly now. 20 years ago, I was using a bucket and a sponge. Oh, old school. Just wipes off so nice. Yeah, back in the old days, grout and you'd wear out your fingers. A little bit of something there. Give a nice wipe along the top. The owners are going to paint this bathroom and the rest of their house are white in colour, which that is all the in thing now, is white walls, white ceiling. Bloody beauty, tell your mum. So all the time you're looking for evenness in the grout line. You're looking for little imperfections. There might be, like in this case, I had my steps out on the grass, and in this complex where I am, a lawnmower bloke was mowing the lawn, so I've got a bit of grass here and there, but that's cool, that's alright. When there's whippersnipping and spreading grass everywhere, I've got a bit of the backyard on the steps, etc. But it's alright. Right, I'll turn the camera off for a little bit and I'll catch up with you shortly. Because it's so warm, my camera's overheating. But that's not all bad. Yeah, g'day. It's Chris again. Now what I've done is I've wiped everything down, but what I'll do, I'll just turn this sucker around. What I'll do now is change my water and give everything another wipe down, turn the fan on, have everything drying while I'm putting away my tools, and then I can silicone. So in about half an hour everything should be dry enough that it'll be alright to silicone. Yeah.